Isotopes. Isotopes are the elements which are having same atomic number but different mass number. See here, by seeing example, then you come to know carbon, it is having same atomic numbers 6, 6, 6. These are the atomic numbers but different mass numbers 12, carbon 6, 12, carbon 6, 13, carbon 6, 14. These are having same atomic numbers but different mass numbers. Similarly, hydrogen, atomic number is 1, mass number is 1, atomic number is 1, mass number is 2, atomic number is 1, mass number is 3. These are the isotopes of hydrogen. These are the isotopes of carbon. And isotopes of uranium are uranium 92, 235, uranium 92, 238. Similarly, oxygens, the isotopes of oxygen are oxygen 8, 16, oxygen 8, 17. These are the isotopes of oxygen. That is, isotopes are the elements which are having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Isobars. Isobars are the elements which are having same atomic mass number but different atomic numbers. Here, see here, isobars are the elements which are having same atomic mass number but different atomic number are called as what? Isobars. See here, the examples. Argon, it is having the atomic number 18. Calcium, it is having the atomic number 19. And here, potassium is having the atomic number 19 and calcium is having the atomic number 20. These three elements are having different atomic numbers but having same mass number. See here, argon is having atomic mass number 40, potassium is having mass number 40, calcium is having mass number 40. They are having same mass number but different atomic numbers are called as what? Isobars. Other example is cobalt and nickel. Cobalt is having atomic number 27, nickel is having atomic number 28, but both are having same mass number 64. And another example is sodium and magnesium. Sodium is having atomic number 11, magnesium is having atomic number 12, but both are having same mass number, that is 24 and 24. Other example is iodine, xenon and cesium. All three are having same mass numbers, that is 131, 131 and 131, but all the three elements are having different atomic numbers, that is iodine is having atomic number 53, xenon is having atomic number 54 and cesium is having atomic number 55. These are the examples for isobars.